This is my 2010 stolen wrap. I got it off of dancecomp.com for $3.29. It weighs 24 pounds out of the box, and that's really light. So it's my bike check. So you can see it says stolen wrap. I messed up the sticker a little bit. That's alright, it's a sticker. I got the red with the copper rims, stolen Revolta rims. It has tornado fork with the 13 drop out. It comes with crap. Hold on. Has these nice big cranks on them. It came with black pedals, but I put brown ones on. The Odyssey Twisted PC. 25 tooth sprocket. 25.9 gearing. Got off of Dan's Comp, like I said. Gotta rep Dan's Comp. Stolen Tallboy bars. They're alright. I like them. I put the Odyssey Aiken light tire on the front and just a stock tire in the back. It isn't that great. It's pretty good though. It has a stolen Thermalite pivotal seat, plastic seat. Stolen money grips. They're real grippy. Overall, I think it's a great bike. I'm gonna leave the brakes on because I like brakes. I don't like to die. I replaced the brake pads though. I got a Cool Stop Salons. They're really good. They're like tapered, so if it gets wet or anything, it like pushes it out. These are little specs if you want to read them. And convict stem with the copper faceplate on it, so it all matches nice and good. I only fell like once on it, and it seemed really solid. And like when you jump it and stuff, go off ledges, whatever, 180s, 360s, whatever, it feels real solid. Like if you like do this with or whatever, you can hear that. It doesn't sound like it's breaking anytime soon. And like I said before, it's really light, weighs 24 pounds. It's like lift it over your head, no problem. So yeah, that's my bike check. Maybe I'll make a new one with better light. It's pretty dark. I'm outside right now. It's really cold outside too. I probably shouldn't even be doing this right now. But yeah, it's my bike check. I just did it because I was bored and everyone else has one, so I figured what the hell, I'd make one. And my freaking garage light keeps going off. So yeah, maybe I'll put a riding video up too. And this tire is great, by the way. Odyssey Aiken, nasty. I highly recommend this bike if anyone wants to buy it. It's a great bike. Not one problem with it yet. If I ever do have a problem, I'll tell you guys, I'm not just gonna leave you hanging out there. Pretty sweet bike. I got the crown caps for it. Nice. Eventually I think I might want to get maybe a higher seat post. I don't like riding it low. But I think I might get a new fork because these dropouts are small. Get a bigger axle in the front. Alright, whatever. This light keeps going off. I'm gonna end the video. See you guys.